So this little lady, this is my son's cow. And her water just broke. We saw it. She got up and her water broke. She was close to the corral, so we brought her in. So same thing, they don't have to worry about other cows bothering them when they're busy. So she's in here. We'll get to see the calf when it arrives. She's quite content still. She's just in the beginning stages. So this little cow just had this calf. I was just driving up and I saw her lay down. I thought maybe she was still calving, but then I saw this little face in front of her. So she must be tired. But check this out. Look at this little face. Isn't it cute? Oh, this cow is amazing. I actually helped her when she was born. Her mom was standing and this little calf dropped, actually like right almost where she just gave birth. And this little calf dropped, but its head was stuck underneath its body and it was folded completely in half, so it couldn't breathe. And so I pulled its back leg and I pulled it so it was straight out. And all of a sudden there was this big white face looking at me. And the mom was a black cow and the dad was a black bull. And then I was just in shock because we had this little red calf with this big bold white face. So this is a special little cow in Honor Farm. And her mom's name is Star, the black cow, and she has a white star on her forehead. And she gives a different colored calf every year. We've never had another white face red out of that cow, but she'll give a lighter red and she'll give a black calf and different colored calves. So it's always amazing. And this cow last year gave a steer calf very similar to her with this white face. And then now this year she has this little red calf with a star on it, just like Grandma, but Grandma's black with a star and a smaller star. So this is just pretty neat. It's always a adventure to see what these girls are gonna produce and give and just surprise us with. So they're lovely cows. Maybe I'll go out into the herd and I'll show you Grandma here just a second. So this is Star. She's giving her ear a really nice little scratch right now. So this is Grandma cow to the little calf that was just born. This is the cow that when she gave birth, she was standing up and that little red calf with the white face fell out and was all folded up. And I pulled the leg and I saw that big white face. And so this is Grandma. The red white face is Mom, and that cute little red with the star is Baby. Star's like, what are you doing? She's almost gonna have a calf here in the next little while too. So anyway, so this is Grandma. Really nice cow. Always an adventure to see what color she's gonna give us. She's a Simmental Angus cow. She actually gave us twins, was it last year or the year before? So it's always interesting to see what she'll do. But super nice cow, super nice family. Usually the moms stand and lick the baby. You silly cow. So I just checked, and this little one, which is actually quite big, is a boy. And so it is my son's cow. So it is my son's calf that has this cute little star. He'll have to figure out a name. This year the letter for calves is L. So he'll have to figure out a name to name this little cutie that starts with L. You're welcome to give some suggestions. Put it on in the comments. But it'll be my son's decision what he names his calf. He still actually is going to still be naming his cow. She's a G, so her name has to start with a G. What a nice calf, girl. He's gorgeous. Good job, Mama. Hi, sweetheart. He's already trying to have some lunch. Oh, he's close. He almost has a teat. Oh, almost. And behind me, Fresco came to say hi. She's my other son's cow. Looks like he has one. Pretty nice. This is Grandma to that little calf. I was out there and she was scratching, and then I left, and then she mooed a few times, and I thought, well, that's different. She usually doesn't make very much noise. And then she just continually keeps mooing, and she's had her tail out a little bit. So she might just be having a false show of some signs, but she might very well actually be calving the same day as her daughter. So she was almost to the corral. I don't like it when they try to steal each other's calves. So I'm just going to put her in this pen here beside her daughter and her grandson and see what she does in the next little bit. But she just seems to be thinking about maybe having a calf. I didn't think she was quite ready, but I didn't think her daughter was ready yet today either. So we'll see what happens. They can keep each other company in here, and she might give us a calf today too. We'll see. That's good. The afterbirth came out. So what do you think, Rhett?
Cute little calf. Snoring.
Pretty big, hey? Hey, Star. Does Grandma's face look like his face? Not quite, but still cute. And Mom's busy. It happened. So I was out here and I kind of watched a little bit, and she wasn't doing anything. She was kind of up and down a little bit, but not much. And little feet would pop out every so often, but barely. So I just ran over to the house and was doing a couple of things, and I got a phone call that the cow had calved. So I don't know if she sneezed or what happened, but this little thing came out so fast. I was gone for maybe 5 or 10 minutes, maybe at the most, but I don't even think I was gone for 10 minutes. And she had it. So this one is another surprise. It's a red, and I see little tiny patches of white on it. I can see by its nose. It looks like there's some white on its nose, and I'm not quite sure. At first I thought I saw a star, but I don't see it anymore. I can't quite tell because it's so wet, but it does look like on its nose it looks like there's some white. So it'll be interesting to see what this little one looks like once it's all cleaned off. But that's pretty exciting that she had her calf the exact same day, within a few hours of her daughter, who's just over there with her recent baby. And it's just really special. I wouldn't have expected them to calve on the same day, much less two little red calves. It just is really neat. So welcome to our channel, Farmer Always. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on our next videos. So remember, we had a eventful day. This is the next morning after the day that my son's cow had her calf with the red fur and a white star. And this is Star, his grandma. And this is her baby that's all cleaned off and looks so much different than earlier in the video. So this one's a little boy. So it's just kind of neat. So Mom and daughter both calved on the same day, a couple hours apart. So Star became a grandma and a mother all in the same day. And my son's cow became a mom and an auntie all in the same day. So just pretty neat. And they're all lovely, lovely babies. It was hard to see what this one's coloring was going to be. I had thought I saw this little streak. I thought, oh, maybe it's just some of the foam or whatever from licking, but so cute. Such neat little markings. And then over by his nose, he's got a little bit of white. So, what a cute little calf. Yeah, Star and her daughter always gives us amazing, different looking calves.